Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the parking lamp. This is a Mercedes GLK. It's a 350. So it's been like from 2010 to 2015. So to begin, the headlights we're going to the parking light we're going to change is going to be on either side. So you just pop up your hood, and then the light we're changing is this one right over here. So when you turn on the lights, you see it's not lighting up. It's supposed to light up when the car is the lights are on. So I'm going to take you through the procedure for replacing it. So first of all, you open this headlight bulb cover, and then you take it out. And then once you take it out, there are these plastics over here, so they're a bit confusing. So you remove these ones on the side. You just pry like that, and then it just come out just with ease. And then once that comes like that, you just pull it out like that, and then you put it on the side. And then let me just zoom in and show you guys where this parking light is. So when you see on the light below it, so let me push this thing aside. So let me zoom in this thing so you guys can see it. Okay, so if you guys can see this light below the main light, this one which has two electrical connectors going to it. So what you do to remove it, you just push this thing right here. It's kind of like a lock, and then you just pull it. It will just pop out from in there. So the problem, this space is so tight, but just try and then pull it slowly like that, and then this thing is just going to come out. And then once it's out like that, and then you can just remove this bulb, and let's inspect it to see if this bulb is really good or is already gone bad. So once this is popped out, let me see if I can zoom it so that you guys can see that this bulb is gone. Oh yeah, this bulb is already gone bad, so this thing is broken, the filament is broken. So we're going to get new ones and then install it. All right, before you do that, on the right side there's this washer fluid duct blocking this side for the headlight. So you just push it on the side and then use a tie rod, just like the way I did mine right here. And then once you do that, you have a lot of space to do it. So once you remove that out of the way, and you remove this connector going to the high beam, just right below it, that's where our parking light is going to be. So you do the same thing you did on the other side. You just lift the lower lever, and then you just pull it out. So I'm going to show you guys the replacement process. So once we are done like that, we just put these things in, these new ones, and make sure it locks in. And then I know the space is tight, you guys might not see it how I'm pushing it in, but I'll show you and I'll tell you. So when you're pushing it, make sure it locks in, and then you hear it clicking. So pay attention when you're pushing it in. You'll hear click, and then that shows that it's already locked in. Yeah, just like that. That thing is locked in. So once this thing is locked in, you can put back this high beam connectors. And I'm going to tell you, this thing is really hard to put it back. You really need, because the space is really small. So you just take your time, and take your time. And make sure it's aligned, and then you can just push it right in. Then once done, just test it out to see if this thing is working or it didn't align well. Alright, once that is done, you just put back the cover. But normally before putting back the cover, you can just test it first. So we're going to test and see if our light is working. Oh yeah, so luckily we're good. Our light is working. So we did both of them, the right and the left, and I'm seeing them working out perfectly. So that's really how you replace your headlight. And then one last thing, please don't forget to release your washer fluid thing, and then you should be good to go. Thank you for watching the video, and see you in the next one.